Stand up.
Okay. All right. Hey, go for
The mail.
Come on, push me out.
Stop resist.
Come on, push me out. That's right. That's right.
The Hobble's in the front door. She slipped her handcuffs.
On the 21st of September 2023, officers with the Metropolitan Nashville Airport Authority Police Department responded to a disturbance at Nashville International Airport involving a violent female passenger. Witnesses reported the suspect had vandalized multiple terminal businesses, spat on a bystander, and struck an elderly woman in the face with a cellular phone, producing a visible laceration on the victim. A witness played back recorded video for the responding officer, showing the suspect screaming at the elderly woman before delivering the blow. This eyewitness account established probable cause for assault.
This guy will explain what's going on.
See, I was just walking up, and you hear this loud bang, and I guess a younger woman hit this elderly woman in the face with a phone.
The phone.
And the elderly woman's cut. She's bleeding down the side of her face. Then the woman went spit to somebody else's face, and then a bunch of us were trying to contain her.
So
Went back down into Terminal
the
C.
individual hit two people?
Hit one person, spit in another woman's face.
This one spin the other. Okay.
And they've been,
Okay. If, okay.
there's the elderly one over there.
Hey, what's going on? Hi. Hey.
Crazy.
She has
like
video.
all
This is
crazy
the lady who was assaulted.
And both of them were. She
Yes, I
spit
think
on
both
her
were.
and then knocked her with a cell phone.
Hey, sir.
Okay, they were. These are 19, 18, 97 at the Greens.
Of course, she was like in the way, but you can turn the set.
Call the police.
She's screaming and yelling at her right here.
She did take the face of her cell phone, and that's what hit her.
That's what hit her, but it's you were in the way. Look at that.
Oh, sorry.
So right here is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hits her. Then she comes.
Control.
No, she punched her with her hand.
Raise my hair.
No, yeah. If you slow it down.
Glasses.
Well, yeah, we all can find her. She went that way, and then she looked like she was trying to find somewhere to hide because we were all like congregating. She could have gone past us and gone down the
Okay. Is that video something you're able to possibly send to us?
Of course. Yep, this is her. And then this is where she's got glasses on.
Yeah, I saw. That's why.
And then you can see where she spits on this lady right here in the pink. And you can't tell right here. She was kind of in the way, but this is where she hits her. Right here. He's in, and then right here, that's where she hit her.
Yeah.
And then she's bleeding on the corner there, but
that's where you would have been able to see it.
Okay.
So,
yeah, this is exactly where she hits her.
Cindy, how long's the video?
Very angry.
She had knocked over a bunch of stuff on the desk there right before that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I feel like.
Can you pull that video out?
Yeah.
And let me see if I can grab it. That's the beginning.
I'm here.
Oh, I mean, that's like your own mama getting hit, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
makes me sick. Yeah.
I was too scared. I would have gone after her, but I was too scared she was going to smack me in the face.
I thought she was coming towards me when she saw my phone.
That's it.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, she's definitely down now.
So the
Bathrooms.
the couple screenshots. Can you grab a couple of them?
Does someone have ability to let our flight know that we're like late now?
We'll get you there.
Okay.
We're not going to hold you here. In fact, you got a card?
Yeah, she's still down there, so somebody's got to find. She is on something.
Oh, she would have hit anybody who.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so that's
Andrew
Andrew.Brennan, BRENNAN at
Got you.
flynashville.com.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you all.
Thank you. We're going to go look?
Yep.
We're going to go look.
Correct.
What direction?
Is please make your way D131.
Where?
Just this. Is this way.
Okay. Did you just have somebody come through and knock all this off?
Well, yeah. We have a picture.
Was it a woman?
I'm nosy. I'm black. I'm trying to see.
Was it a woman?
Yes. I can't tell you, sure.
I just need to see a picture of what she looks like.
Disco.
Thank you. Control 18. She just knocked a bunch of stuff off of Harrison. I'm still trying to make contact. You want me to go ahead and take it for disorderly? All right, I'll take it for disorderly. All right, ma'am. My name is Officer Link with Airport Police. Need you to go ahead and stand up. Stand up, please. Ma'am, stand up. Put your hands behind your back. Stand up.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Resist. Okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Okay? Come here. Do not resist. Put your
Ma'am.
hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back.
Now.
Do it
Give
now.
me your hands.
Put your hands behind your back. Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay? Do not resist. Okay? Thank you. Very good. Stop.
Stop
Do not
resisting.
resist. Okay?
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll over onto your stomach.
Do it now. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer for disorderly conduct. Do you understand?
Stand up.
Under Tennessee Code Section 39-13-101, simple assault occurs when a person intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly causes bodily injury to another through direct physical contact. Because the victim was an elderly adult, the conduct may be elevated under Tennessee Code Section 39-15-502, which governs offenses against protected elderly persons in the state. After a 10-minute search, officers located the suspect at a departure gate. Both victims declined to press charges, so officers pivoted to a charge requiring no complaining witness, disorderly conduct. Tennessee Code Section 39-17-305 defines disorderly conduct as fighting, violent, or threatening behavior occurring in a public place with intent to cause annoyance or alarm. An airport terminal qualifies as a public place. The documented striking, spitting, and overturning of counters plainly satisfy the statute's behavioral element and support the charging decision on the record.
You want me to bring my car over here? We may need that.
Yeah.
Stand up.
We're going to set you in this chair, okay?
All right? Come on. Okay. Okay.
You can hang out there. That's fine.
She wants to do that. That's her thing, okay? It's an additional charge.
Mm-hmm.
Resisting an officer. And you want to sit up in a chair? Let's get you sit up in a chair. Come on, stand up. Okay? Okay. All right.
You said me to be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that. Okay? Now you can relax.
Who's not relaxing? That's what I had.
Okay? There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language.
pulling away?
Okay?
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your
No.
feet on the
Pedo.
ground. Okay.
Y'all want me to sit like this?
If that's what you want to do.
Calm down.
I see. What are y'all waiting for?
For vehicles, since you don't want to walk.
I can sit the fuck up.
Where's your wallet at, ma'am?
Okay.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't have a wallet.
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have ID.
Okay. In the airport.
I magically appeared. Yeah.
Silent.
Yeah. Thank you.
Magically appeared in the airport. Okay.
Let's go.
Hear
Walk
me.
into a car. Okay. Okay. Stand up and walk. Okay. Get a chair. Get a chair. You don't need to do that. We're going to put you in a chair then. Come on.
No, you don't want to walk. You ride in the chair.
No, you don't want to walk. You go in the chair.
I'll get a ride.
You going to walk now?
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna show for me.
Yeah, no, we got. Okay.
I want to ride.
Additional charge.
Hurry up.
Where are we going? Quit.
Hanging on there right now.
God, no, bro, did that even?
I'm walking that way, but what do you think?
One, two.
Man, stop, please. Stop it. Stop it.
Y'all see this stuff?
You're making it worse for you. Stop.
The mayo. The mayo. Come on, push me out.
Stop resist.
Come on, push me out. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Stop resist.
Where's this strap to?
Oh, it's on.
She's good. She's not making out of that.
Okay, push me out.
That would be very unwise.
Yeah. Additional charge, resisting stop, halt, frisk. Need the wet. Spitting. Second count, disorderly.
Why am I going this way? Wow.
Hey, we need to go then.
Why can't we go through our
We need to take the air. We need to take the elevator.
I can carry it.
The lead officer identified himself by name and agency before placing the suspect under arrest. Clear officer identification supports the lawfulness of any seizure and is consistent with best practice contact protocols. When verbal commands failed, officers transitioned to soft, empty hand control. Under the standard use of force continuum, this is the appropriate next step when the subject is non-compliant but not actively assaulting officers. The Supreme Court in Graham versus Connor established that the reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with 20/20 hindsight after the fact. Courts weigh three factors under Graham: severity of the offense, immediate threat posed by the subject, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee the lawful custodial encounter at hand. As officers moved the suspect to transport, she dragged her feet and physically resisted. Tennessee Code Section 39-16-602 governs the offense of resisting stop, frisk, halt, arrest, or search. Spitting attempts at officers triggered a second disorderly count and exposed the suspect to assault on a first responder under Tennessee Code Section 39-13-116, an elevated statutory offense.
She's spitting.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. Make your ass worse.
You're making out that you left work, actually.
Okay. Congratulations.
You mean push it, Brendan?
You guys. So I'm being arrested for disorderly conduct.
And resisting halt, frisk. Stop, halt, frisk.
So what does disorderly conduct mean? What does disorderly conduct mean?
Well, you've seen it over things, look it up.
I don't know anything.
Okay.
It's funny.
Try to have a conversation with you. And be polite and be civil.
Ever will Brumfish.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Thank you.
All right. What we're going to have you do is lean over the hood of this car. She's going to search you before you go in the patrol car. Do you have any questions?
I can't walk, so yeah, I figure it out.
Let's roll her a little closer, bro.
Yes.
I don't want to drag her.
I don't want you to touch her.
Roll her a little closer.
Can I have a guy do it? I don't want her touching me.
Do not resist.
Can I not resist?
Stand up.
Hold on. All right, cool. Just take up, put it in the...
Do not resist.
Just search on the ground.
I'll take my glass. Hold on. Wait, take my glass off.
Do not resist.
I'm searching your person.
I don't want to break those. Those are 400.
Okay. Well, don't resist. Don't damage your glasses.
Y'all damaging them.
I'll roll you over and we'll get you up. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay?
All right.
Okay, we're going to help you sit up and we're going to put you in the car.
Yeah, I'm not bad.
Yeah, we're going to put them right on you as soon as we get you in the car. Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car.
Thank God.
Turn around. Turn it up. But
Hold on, wait. I need my glasses.
we're going to get you glasses after you get in the car.
Put on my face.
Nope,
You
we're
want
not.
to when you get in the car.
We're getting in your car.
We don't want to see you damage the glasses on your ass.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, Grandpa. Thank you. Now can I have my glasses?
Sit back.
Yep, you're going to get them. Promise you that. Your feet on the floor. Do not resist. Sit on
Go with me.
Do not resist.
No, I'm not going to shut the fuck up.
I
need my glasses. Come on,
sit up straight. Sit up straight.
No, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go up. No.
There you go. Sit up straight. Watch yourself.
Thanks, Hannah.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Guys, appreciate you.
I'll ride with you.
Okay. Appreciate you.
Hi, you got. You. Where you? Can I get it?
Okay.
Wait.
She got her handcuffs. Hey.
What's for that? Thing okay?
Here.
Hi, y'all must really like it.
We were not able to drive out of the car. The Hobble's in the front door.
She slipped her handcuffs. Well, I was trying to be nice to you.
Stop resisting.
No one's resisting. No one's resisting. God just like to.
You have the door cracked? I'm just gonna drag her through like I did before.
For change, don't check your finger. Hey, Mark. Yep. Yes. Nope.
Okay, so I'll take you out of this Hobble so you can walk. Are you gonna walk for me?
Yeah. I'm not mad at it.
Get folks, I'll check the signature tower.
Hey, Mark.
I'm me and Buckley here.
Huh?
I was just saying with me and Buckley. Try to get out.
Keep your picture of it.
Can I not have my picture taken?
You have to.
I'm just 8.
Can you use your work phone?
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Why y'all so mad?
What's up?
So why y'all so mad?
I'm Matt.
Okay. He's acting in a way. I know why he's.
No.
Before transport, officers search the suspect's person. Under United States v. Robinson, a full search of an arrestee incident to lawful custodial arrest is constitutionally reasonable without further justification. One officer's sarcastic remark during transport, while not escalating force, departed from de-escalation training standards. Verbal professionalism reduces resistance and protects the agency in any later civil action. Officers then applied a Hobble restraint. United States Department of Justice guidance warns that hobbled subjects must be promptly placed in a recovery position and monitored due to documented positional asphyxia risk. The suspect remained upright and conscious throughout transport, consistent with safety guidance. When she slipped her cuffs, officers re-secured her without strikes or less lethal weapons, showing measured restraint. At booking, charges filed included elder abuse, assault on a first responder, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and vandalism, under Tennessee Code Section 39-14-408 on knowing property damage. Lesson 1. When victims decline to press charges, officers may still lawfully arrest for public order offenses they personally observe, or that witnesses have sufficiently established on the record at the scene. Lesson 2. Under Graham v. Connor, the proportionality of force is judged at the moment of decision. Soft hands techniques against an actively resisting subject sit comfortably within the reasonable range of options. Lesson 3. Hobble restraints are lawful but high risk. Continuous monitoring and prompt repositioning out of prone are non-negotiable, per Department of Justice guidance, to prevent positional asphyxia deaths. Lesson 4. A citizen who believes an arrest is unlawful should comply at the scene and litigate later. Active resistance only compounds charges and rarely improves the legal position of the person being arrested. Lesson 5. Officer professionalism in tone is not optional. Sarcastic language during custodial transport weakens public trust, invites civil exposure, and undercuts the strong tactical work officers otherwise perform.